You're watching Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button for more finance tips and reviews. LendingPoint Personal Loan Review. Links to LendingPoint are available in the description below. LendingPoint offers personal loans tailored for those seeking quick, adaptable, and transparent financing solutions. The platform caters particularly to borrowers with fair to good credit, prioritizing a streamlined process with competitive interest rates. LendingPoint provides loans from $2,000 up to $36,500, with repayment terms ranging between 24 and 48 months. A key feature of LendingPoint is its rapid application and approval procedure. You can apply online and receive a decision within minutes, often with funds deposited as soon as the next business day upon approval. The platform also provides flexible loan terms, empowering borrowers to select a repayment schedule that aligns with their individual financial circumstances. LendingPoint's fixed-rate loans ensure consistent monthly payments for the loan's duration, simplifying budgeting and financial planning. A major benefit of LendingPoint is its accessibility to borrowers with credit scores starting as low as 580. This threshold is lower than what many traditional lenders require, positioning LendingPoint as a viable choice for individuals with less than perfect credit who may need a personal loan for various purposes, such as debt consolidation, home improvements, or unexpected expenses. Furthermore, LendingPoint offers a clear and straightforward fee structure. There are no origination fees, prepayment penalties, or concealed charges. This transparency is a valuable asset for borrowers who want a comprehensive understanding of the loan terms before committing. While LendingPoint boasts a high approval rate, it's important to note that interest rates can fluctuate based on individual credit history and financial standing. Overall, LendingPoint is an excellent option for borrowers who prioritize a fast, streamlined loan process with flexible terms and no hidden fees. Its accessibility to those with fair credit, combined with rapid funding and manageable repayment options, makes it a compelling choice for many. If you're seeking a personal loan and value a simple, transparent borrowing experience, LendingPoint is certainly worthy of consideration. For further details and to apply, check out the links in the description below.